Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin Hippo, and welcome to Hasty Hippo Hints, where I'm going to teach you tips and tricks of the reselling trade in under 5 minutes. Let's get to it. Okay, so we want to go over the formula to have the quote-unquote perfect eBay listing that will please Cassini and give you the best results in the search engine. The formula goes brand, gender, what it is, size, and then keywords. Here we have a Robert Graham, brand, gender, men's, what it is, button front shirt, your size, and then your keywords. It works for a women's shirt as well. Brooks Brothers, gender, what it is, your size, and your keywords. It works for jeans. Here we have the brand, the gender, what they are, the size, and then the keywords. And when it comes to items that are not clothing, you can somewhat follow the formula and still get yourself better results in the search engine, but you're going to have to play with it a little bit to fit, because obviously you're not usually going to have a gender or a size when it comes to a non-clothing item. So here I would consider Lego the brand and Ninjago the board game set is what it is, and then I have my keywords. And here we have Dr. Seuss. I would consider the brand, even though this is a Kohl's Cares moose. I believe it is important when you are building your titles to have the most important keywords up front. And Dr. Seuss to me would be a bigger keyword than Kohl's Cares. So we have Dr. Seuss, what it is the brand, and then what it is, Didwick, the big-hearted moose. He is a Kohl's Cares 14-inch plush. These are just extra keywords at the end. So you can see that this formula will work for all clothing items across the board. Brand, gender, what it is, size, and then keywords. And then you can play with it for non-clothing items to have brand, what it is, and then your keywords. And always build your keywords up from the front to the back, most important to least important, what you think would be searched most first. Thank you for joining us today on Hasty Hippo Hints. If you liked this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button down below. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.